Hello, this is Pranavan, and today we will be looking into Batman Under the Red Hood. So let's have a look into this right now. And there you have it. This is Batman Under the Red Hood, graphic novel, Blu-ray movie and the DVD version of the movie as well, and a digital copy. Okay, let's just open the packaging. Okay. Okay, so in the back you get the digital copy code, and this is what the disc would look like. So, wow. This is the DVD version. And let's see Blu-ray. And this is what the Blu-ray version looks like. Okay. So I'll just show you what the pages look like in a very quick view. So just bear with me for a minute. So this is what the pages will look like. I don't want to spoil any details for those who have never heard of the story of Batman and the Red Hood. So I'm just flicking through these pages as soon as possible. But it does look really impressive. And yeah, that's it really. There you have it. This is Batman Under the Red Hood on graphic novel, on Blu-ray and DVD, and on digital. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you are a fan of anything related with Batman, watch this. This trilogy on Blu-ray, and also this trilogy in 4K Ultra HD, and also these games. And that's it. This is Batman Under the Red Hood. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the future. Bye.